All right, y'all, we're gonna make an Amish breakfast casserole. This one goes out to my buddy Ruben, who grew up in an Amish community and one of the best mechanics I know, ironically, or the best actually. You're gonna throw in a pound of country sausage, packaged country sausage, just like they have in Amish country. And we're gonna throw in a small onion that we've chopped up. Get those sauteing together. All right, now that you got that brown, go ahead and drain your grease and take it on to the next phase. All right, now we're gonna start our creamy layer. We got 6 eggs. We're gonna do 1 cup of cottage cheese, which is half of this container. We're gonna throw in our seasoning, salt, garlic powder, and pepper. That's right, baby girl. Make an Amish breakfast casserole. And go ahead and whisk all that together. All right, now that we got that whisked together, let's bring over our 9 by 13 baking dish. We're gonna throw in 3 cups of hash browns. We're doing Southern style. You know, I've done a lot of shredded, but I really have always loved the Southern style hash browns. So we're gonna throw those on the bottom. And we're gonna bring over our sausage mixture that we made at the beginning. Throw that over the top. Get that spread around. And then we're gonna take that mixture that we just made with the eggs, the cottage cheese, and the seasoning, and pour that over the top here. Yeah, girl. Our daughter has joined us, as you can probably surmise. And then finally, we've got 1 cup of cheddar and 2 cups of mozzarella. We're gonna pour it into here.
There's so much cheese.
A lot of cheese. It's because they got that good dairy in the Amish country. Fresh. All right, and then once you have all that in there, this one you actually want to get it kind of mixed around together. Instead of, typically I just leave the cheese on top. This one, try to get all the ingredients kind of mixing together in there. All right, now that we got that nice and stirred together, give it one final smooth, get that last little bit of goodness off of your spoon. And we got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna put it in there for 45 minutes. Should be ready. All right, let's take a look at this baby. Ooh, that smells super good. Oh, that smells so good. I think Ruben, my ex-Amish friend, would love this so much. Yeah, we're just gonna let it cool down and come back and try it. All right, let's give this puppy a try. Ooh, that is cutting through perfectly. Mm. Oh my goodness, look at that. That looks perfect. I love when it just comes out so clean like that. Doesn't happen for me often. Still a little hot. Mmm. Mmm. This is super good. Oh my goodness. That is a good hearty breakfast casserole, y'all. Mmm. Please try this at home.